If you've ever needed to find an old post on X, whether it was a tweet from a specific day, a hashtag from a certain event, or a message from a particular account, this tutorial will show you exactly how to search tweets by date on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick for researchers, marketers, journalists, creators, and anyone trying to track down a tweet without scrolling forever. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and social media tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to x.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the homepage, head over to Explore. This is where X gives you access to search and discovery tools, and it's the best place to start when you want more control over your results. Now, in the top search bar, type any keyword, hashtag, or username related to the tweet you're trying to find. For example, you could search a topic, a phrase, or an account handle. After typing your search term, press Enter to load the results page. Once the results appear, look to the right side of the page, just under the search bar area. You should see More Options, usually shown with 3 dots. Click that menu, then choose Advanced Search. This opens up X's advanced filtering tools, which are exactly what you need to narrow your search by date. On the Advanced Search page, scroll all the way down until you find the Dates section. This is the part that lets you control the time range for your search results. Under From, select the start date you want. Then, under To, choose the end date you want. This tells X to only show tweets posted within that specific window of time. After setting your dates, click Search. X will now refresh the results and display only the tweets that match your keyword and your date range. This is the fastest way to find old tweets, trace conversations, verify posts, or locate content from a specific event or time period. If you don't get the exact result you want the first time, try adjusting the keyword or narrowing the date range a little more. Sometimes using a username plus a date range gives you much better results than a broad search term. You can also combine this method with hashtags or exact phrases to make the search even more precise. So that's it. Now you know how to search tweets by date on x.com or Twitter using the advanced search feature. It's simple, fast, and incredibly helpful when you need to find something specific without wasting time. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.